This is my new Ames garden seat. Just got it off of Amazon. Ames established 1774. Just pulled it out of the package, used it once. And as you see, it's starting to come apart at the edges. One day. Looked like a nice seat. Had good reviews. Practical. Now this is the old seat I had. Bought it over 20 years ago. Bargain store, cost me less than $15. And it's starting to break around the edges. The wheel's starting to come off. So I decided time to buy a new one. I go on Amazon, find a new one. And the old one is still usable, even though it's coming apart. A new one, what's going on? If they could make them 20 years ago and last 20 years, why can't they make one to last one day today? For 3 times the price. I'm sitting here enjoying the day, watching the boats go by, and getting ready to send back my garden seat. I'm getting ready to do some planting. I'll plant some flowers here in my new gazebo, and instead I'm wasting my time packing up junk to send back to Amazon. Well, that's the end of this video.